Ready?
Ready.
Hey Dina, we have our other co-located RFID startup. This is Helmet Tracker, Rick from Helmet Tracker.
Four.
He's playing with your sled as well. Helmet Tracker is in the athletic world. They track helmets for the NFL and college and high school athletic programs. And oddly enough, we are linked with Rick and Helmet Tracker. ShelfAware's linked with them because they're our next door neighbor at home, literally. My brother, his lawnmower broke, and he went and asked his neighbor, Rick, right there, for help fixing it, and they started talking and found out we both run RFID startups. So how crazy is that? Now they share some space with us at the facility here.
So I probably got this box done. All right.
So Rick's doing a little testing. They currently also use the Turk. That's who got us onto the Turk handheld, was Rick and his team. They use the Turk, or was the Grocket handheld scanner to take athletic equipment inventories in like college and NFL locker rooms for helmets. So they implant the tag in the helmet and it tracks the life and basically the refurbishing of it. So.
I can sell this to Shut. Shut has a need for this.
Yeah?
Shut,
Riddell, all the football helmet manufacturers?
Yeah, because they do it in their warehouse. They're putting RFID in their helmets.
There you go.
They want to scan their own inventory in their own warehouse.
Yeah. Okay, Rick's talking about reselling your sled, so you got another distributor potentially to his athletic customers. We're giving Rick the same 500 test. He started far back because he wanted to see how fast we'd start picking up tags. What are you at, John?
460. Already beat where the grok was after about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You got 5 more.
Today is just beat up on the Grocker day.
One more.
Sorry, Grocker.
I feel like we're gonna go over 500. There must have been some other tags in there. See. You only find one more though.
I probably missed one, right?
Yep. You got 499.
There you go, 499. All right, I'll cut it off here. They're gonna find the other tag when they go back through these boxes. So, anyway, just thought you might want to see another RFID user using it. Again, thank you for the sled. We will continue to test it and get you more data, more feedback. There you go, 500. Hey, cool. Thanks, Rick.
Yeah, thanks.